How you cut and paste. Next, we're going to put a bullet next to each of the vocabulary words. To put in a bullet, you just simply highlight the vocabulary words. That would be tab through footer. Then, under the home tab, you click the button that is the bullet button, and it turns bullets on. Not that you necessarily have to do this, but it's really cool that you don't have to just have a dot as a bullet. You can click on this little down arrow, and you have all of these different choices for bullets. You can even go and format them even further, but I'm going to do smiley face. Sorry. So you can format your bullets and get all kinds of different ones by clicking on that down arrow.
I do the alien ones on our network notes.
Okay, next one is I want you to highlight each vocabulary word. See, this is the vocabulary section. I only want the word highlighted. So you come up here and use your highlighter tool. By the way, you can change the color, but it's a black and white printer, so yeah. If you choose a black one, then obviously it's gonna, I think it'll automatically default it to a white font. No, it doesn't. That's gonna be a lot of work for you, because then you're gonna have to go back and make your font white. Let's just make it yellow. Come here.
Black and yellow, black.
There we go. And you'll go down and highlight every one of them as such. Just the vocabulary word. You with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just like take it and drag it down.
No, because then you're getting all this stuff too, and that's not what I want. All right. Next thing, you're going to change the document to where it's double spaced. Right now it's single spaced. The stuff is close together. The lines are close together. We're going to spread it out by making it double spaced. To double space it, you select the entire document. You can do that by highlighting starting at the top of your screen going all the way down, or starting at the bottom and going all the way up, or I prefer Control A. That selects everything. And then the line spacing button is under the Home tab. It's that one, the double arrow on top of each other. It's called line spacing. Once again, if you just hover over it, it's going to tell you what it does, okay? So, line spacing, I need a double space, so what number am I going to choose? TJ. What number am I going to choose for a double space?
You're going to choose 2.
2 for a double space. Now it's double spaced and we're on another page. And the next thing you're going to do is spell check. You can go through and spell check by finding all the little red and green squigglies and right clicking and try to fix it. That's one thing that you can do. Let me get rid of this so I actually have a misspelled word. Or instead of trying to find those squigglies, you can go to review and then spelling and grammar. And if it picks up my first one, space is what I'm looking for. Here's all the choices that it's given me. It's on your sheet. There's no reason why anything should be misspelled, but space is the word I'm looking for. If you choose change, it's going to just change that one instance. If you choose change all, it's going to fix all of the instances. And some of you have weird names that's going to hit every single time.
Yeah.
You're going to need to hit ignore or ignore all, okay? I'm going to hit change all. Then it's not right. The computer is not always right, because right here it's wanting to make it prints with an S. It is not called prints preview, it's called print preview. So I'm going to ignore that one. Ignore rule, it'll ignore all of them. And then I've got it fixed. Okay?
Wait.
Yes. The next thing you're going to do is save it. If you save this assignment wrong, meaning you put it anywhere besides on your thumb drive, I'm going to take 30 points off of your grade for saving it incorrectly.
Wow.
So it's important that you get it put on your thumb drive. You're going to go to File and Save As. Then over on the left-hand side, when it pops up, moving slow today. When it pops up, you scroll down, and under the computer section, you'll locate your thumb drive. I don't have one plugged in right now. You'll click your thumb drive. The file name, the instruction says, needs to be word processing information, which it already is. Then you click save, and it's going on your thumb drive. The next thing you will do is print it out. To print, you go to File and Print, and you look at the preview. It is 2 pages long. You can look down at the bottom right here to see. I'm currently on page 1 of 2. Right there. And if you scroll down, you'll see 2 of 2. Actually, yeah, there it is. If it looks okay to you, you hit print, because once you hit print, it's yours to keep. Okay? So that's print. The last thing you will do is upload it to Moodle. You will log into Moodle. Then you will go to this week and choose the link that says turn in word processing information here, and you will turn it in, and it doesn't look like this on your end. I know what you're about to see. You'll turn it in the same way you've been turning in the rest of them.